Go to Binance.com and click on Register Now. Choose your country. Enter email info. Use our referral code. Click link in description. Copy and paste the verification code to Binance. Enter your phone number. Copy and paste the verification code to Binance. Now fill in your personal information. Choose between your ID card, passport or driver's license. Scan the QR code with your phone if your PC doesn't have a camera. In the phone, log in using the info you typed in earlier. Complete the sliding puzzle. Click on the verification code. Now you can take documents pictures using your phone's camera. Smile and take a selfie. Do the facial verification. Verification successful. Now wait for the system to review the process. Congratulations! Now you're a verified customer on Binance. As a reward for completing KYC process, now you're given an NFT mystery box. Simply log into your account to claim it. Not too bad, right? Thanks for watching.